Hello everyone, welcome to English by Mahesh. In today's lesson, we are going to practice common questions and answers that you can use in everyday conversations. These questions will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Let's get started. What's your name? My name is Mahesh. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 29 years old. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. What do you do? I am data analyst. What time do you wake up? I woke up at 5 a.m. How do you get to work? I go to work by car. What do you do in the evening? In the evening I usually watch TV. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I enjoy jogging, going to the gym and yoga. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken gravy and ragi ball. What do you like to do in your free time? In my free time, I like to watch movies. Do you like to listen to music? Yes, I love listening to rock music and classical music. What kind of movies do you enjoy? I enjoy action movies. Do you like to read books? Yes, I love reading non-fiction books. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What are your plans for the weekend? I plan to relax at home. Are you going on vacation this year? Yes, I am planning to visit Horsley Hills. Where would you like to travel? I would like to travel to Paris. What are your goals for the next year? My goal is to stay healthy and be happy. Do you want to learn a new skill? Yes, I want to learn how to play an instrument. Do you like to cook? Yes, I love cooking spicy foods. What do you think about learning English? I think learning English is very important because it's helped me communicate with the people around the world. How do you feel about technology? I think technology is amazing because it makes life easier. Do you like rainy weather? Yes, I like rainy weather because it's relaxing. What's your opinion about social media? I think social media is a good way to stay connected with friends and family. Great job. You have just practiced some important questions and answers for the everyday conversations. Keep practicing these and soon you will feel more confident speaking English. Let us know in the comments which question you like the most, and if you have any questions for us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Thank you.